Initialization of 1D array. Initialization means how you are going to initialize the array, and there are two methods to initialize the array. One is at compile time. Compile time means when we are doing the coding, at that time we are doing something that is called the compile time, or at runtime. Runtime means when the program is running, at that time if you are going to do something, that is called the runtime. So first we are discussing the compile time. Now there is a syntax that we have to follow to initialize the array. First we are giving is the type, then we are giving the array name. In the bracket we are giving its size, and we will provide the equal to, and in the bracket we will tell, these are the curly bracket, list of values. So that is the syntax of initializing the array at compile time. So I'm taking one example to make you understand. Let us suppose that the type I am giving is integer. So it is going to take the integer values. Array name, let us suppose that I am taking the array as n. Size, I am giving the size as 3. Equal to list of values, integer value. So if I say 1, 2, 7, so there it is going to initialize the 3 values at compile time. So what will happen? So that is the memory location, and there are 3 blocks in that memory, and their index are 0, 1 and 2, and the name of array is n, and the values initialized inside that will be 1, 2 and 7. Means while we are working with the program, at that time if we are giving the values, that is called the compile time initialization. I am taking one more example. Let us suppose if I take int a4 equal to, now I want to initialize all 0, 0 comma 0 comma 0 comma 0. So 4 times 0 we are initializing. That means all the arrays having the 0 values. So if I take out the memory location, then there are 4 blocks starting from 0, 1, 2 and 3. So these are the index values, and the name of array is A, and the values inside all the blocks will be 0 because we have initialized as 0. Now how we will read that? If I want to read this, so it will declare variable A as array. So A is acting like an array of size, and the size of array is 4, and assign. So it is going to assign 0 to each element, means every elements are assigned with the value as 0. So if I talk about the compile time, whenever we are going to define the values of array while we are doing the programming, that is called the compile time. And talking about the runtime, if we are going to take out the value of array from user while the program is running, that is called the runtime. So if I am taking few variables and their values will be given by the user, that is the initialization of array at runtime because the program is running at that time. But we are self giving the values before running the program, just like we are saying that there is an array n3 and the values are 1, 2 and 7 before running the program. Similarly, we are having an array 4 and their values are 0, 0, 0, 0 before running the program. That is called the compile time initialization. So that is the difference between compile time and the runtime initialization of array.